To initiate a change request, you will log into your Tom homepage. From there, you will access jobs and quotes, which is where all of your working orders are. You will come to either pending, so you can see all pending orders, or you can search for the order that you're looking for. Once an order has been submitted to MaestroShield, that's the only time you'll see the request change button. Otherwise, it doesn't have it. So you'll only see that on pending orders that have been submitted. That means you have the capability to do a change request. To do a change request, whether it's for mount type, change in fabric, change in dimensions, whatever it is, you're going to find the order you're looking to do the change on. You're going to click request change. It's going to let you know that depending upon the stage of production, not all requests can be honored. It may result in a delayed shipping date or an additional lead time. It asks you, what is the reason the change is being made for? We're going to do change of mount type. It could be change of color, change of dimensions. Just put up a brief description. And then it's going to ask you, do you want a copy for change? If you do, you'd make desired changes and resubmit order. Copy for change or cancel the change order altogether. If you want to continue with the change order, you will click copy for change. It will then pull up the order, the original order, and it will then adjust the PO to reflect the change request that has been placed. And then you would come down and you would do the changes to any units that you needed to have the change made on. So if you're changing the mount type, you have to change that on all of the units. Same thing if you were changing the color, you would need to make sure you reflected the color change, hood, side tracks, and bottom bar. You want to have the change reflect across the board. So you would continue to make your changes as needed. Once all of your desired updates or changes have been made, you will continue with the normal submittal process, and the order will be confirmed back to you within the same normal business timelines, typically a 24-hour business day. So once you've made the changes across the board, let's say we changed every unit to be surface mount, we would come back up and we would resubmit the order as per normal. For any additional questions on how to process the change order, don't forget you can always reach out to your representative. Thank you. Bye-bye.